Hi guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I will be showing you how I made those wall sconces with things I already had in an inexpensive way as well. So if you have not yet, subscribe, and guess what? Let's get to it. Alright guys, before I show you the video, I just want to tell you where I got the material from. Now remember, I had these things already at home. But, like I said, if you want to make these wall sconces, I'm going to tell you where I got the material from. The shade came from Lowe's, and it was like $7.49. The light itself came from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. The mats I already had. They came from Walmart. They were like $3 a piece. And what the wall sconce is sitting on is wood that I already had in the house. I have some old mats. These are the same mats I used to cover this with. I'm just going to put it on the wood. I'm going to hang this like this so that the switch will be facing down. Subscribe. And I have a little light shade that will put at the bottom. These shades come from Home Depot, and it's supposed to come around this right here. These wall sconces were so easy to make, and it was with things I already had. And to make it so good, I can use them on the inside of my home or on the outside of my home. Guys, you could put these wall sconces behind your dresser, behind your bed, against a wall, behind a chair, because they can be moved anywhere. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And do me a favor, guys. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Love one another. Be kind to one another, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.